First things first, making cabbage kolatch for our Christmas Eve Slovak dinner. Get your recipe out and don't forget to go to the grocery store the night before. I usually forget this and have to stop and go first thing in the morning. Wash your hands, get all your ingredients out, and they should all be warm when you start. So you don't want to take all your stuff out and put it cold eggs, cold milk, and everything. So be wary of that. Have your ingredients out for a little bit, and we'll keep going here. Okay, here's the first step. So measure out 6 cups of sifted flour and put them in your KitchenAid mixer. Grammy used to do it by hand and Nana by the handheld mixer. Not me. KitchenAid hand or stand-up mixer. So put all your dry ingredients in the mixer. Okay, here's the dry ingredients ready to go. The flour, sifted flour, 1 cup of sugar, and I put 2 packages of the fast-rising yeast. I have my egg yolks ready to go, and I am warming the butter and milk to get that ready. What I also do is you would turn on your oven and heat up, actually don't turn the oven on, just heat up a pot of hot water or get a tea kettle, and so that you can keep your oven warm. You don't want to turn the oven on because you don't want the dough to cook. So we just want to keep it nice and warm and toasty. So this is what I mean about putting hot water in your oven with the tea kettle to keep your oven warm. You don't want to turn your oven on. And also have your pot ready and buttered so the dough won't stick to the sides. So you're going to put it in your big pot and put it in the oven to rise. Now add your wet ingredients to your dry, and keep adding. It's going to get really wet, and then at the end I do add some more flour, almost another 2 cups more. So you kind of just have to see how it goes. Add the eggs last, or not really, but you don't want them to get cooking with the hot liquid either. So you don't want that butter and milk to be too hot. It's really just warm. So in the dough goes into the pot in the oven and let it rise. Okay, I shredded my cabbage, 1 head of cabbage. I melted 1 stick of butter and sauteed the cabbage. I added a little salt and pepper and some paprika. So you want to saute it nice so it's soft. Put it to the side because you don't want to stick it in the bread when it's too hot. So it should be cooled. So this is what our dough looks like. We're going to cut it into possibly 8 1-pound balls. So you put the cabbage in the center. You pull up the ends and make it like a pocket. And then turn it over. Put it back and let it sit for a little while longer. And you can do the next one. Same kind of thing. You put the cold cabbage in the center. And then pull it up. I'll make one more, a little one.
Gone.
Okay, now you roll it out. This is the filled cabbage kolatch. So you make it like a medium-sized pizza. Oh, see? Put a lot of cabbage in there.
It's kind of breaking. That doesn't look like it should. Just saying.
Uh-oh.
It shouldn't be leaking out.
It shouldn't. I put too much in.
So just say put less in then.
Put less in. Alright, shut it down.